Yeah, I'm just going to do a little bit of an intro.
No.
Yeah, won't take a second.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Good morning, Codger Biker here, and here I am.
Why do you
Look,
do that?
you're talking on it. You're actually on it now.
Sorry, I've got to have teeth.
Okay. Let's start that again, shall I? Well, be of good cheer. Codger Biker is here. Well, it's a bit weird when you've got a new crash helmet on, isn't it? I got this one in the sale. Quite like it, but mainly because my physiotherapist cousin said I would be better off with a lighter crash helmet because I've got a neck issue. So, après-vis, recently I decided, for no other reason than to save a bit of weight and because I'm not insured for a pillion, to delete the pillion pegs. In order to do that, I had to obtain an R&G foot peg delete kit, and it was slightly complicated by the fact that I've got a aftermarket exhaust that doesn't attach exactly where the OEM one would fit. But with a little bit of jiggery pokery, here's what happened. Right, it's back on with this. Removing the foot pegs and replacing this bracket. Some say it's illegal, breaking the law.
I was completely wasting, not of working down. All inside it's so frustrating as I drift from town to town.
Okay, rear foot peg. Yeah, need a hammer. Not a big fan of these Honda Allen bolts. They're very shallow and very soft. So I'm going to replace that with this, just a blanking plate. One in there. So, trying to get rid of some of the extra weight that I've added. I've added heated grips today, and I'm removing the weight of the two rear foot pegs. So, should be a net loss. So, that's your foot peg gone from that side. Now, the other side, a bit more problematic because I've got an aftermarket exhaust. So I need to put a spacer in. I've got a 35mm spacer, aluminium, so hoping that will fit. As a recap, this is the OEM foot pegs, and the OEM exhaust actually fits on the inside of there. This exhaust fits on the outside, so that when you put the R&G exhaust bracket, which is expected an exhaust to fit here, this exhaust is about 35mm too far out. So I've got an aluminium spacer. I'm going to try that. So here's my spacer, the only one I could find. It's aluminium, as you can see. Hope it's about the right size. If not, I can cut it down a little bit. I think it's about right. Right, loosen those. They should come out. Foot peg deleted. Touch on that one. Probably should have left that a bit loose, but let's just see what happens. Into position. Here is my spacer. Put it in without scratching anything. Okay, oh, it fits. It's about right. It should be alright when it's tightened up. Go. There you go. Might even put a washer on the back. A small washer on the back. Won't see it. And Ainsley R&G give you black bolts on this side, but silver ones on the other. So I might change those. If I just pull in here, you can have a look at the finished effect, so to speak. A bit wary here because there's no nails to be here before now. So the original space I put on was a bit bigger than this, but Dr. J and I aligned it, we looked at it, kept looking at the exhaust and managed to get it to go in a little bit further. It still doesn't fit where the OEM would fit there. So the little aluminium spacer, we've got that to work. I think it looks quite good, quite happy with it. And if you look from behind, the baffle's in at the moment, it runs fine without the baffle. You can see the line of the hanger foot peg delete on that side. And on this side, as you saw, there's just a plate that deletes that, and they're quite heavy, so it saves a little bit more weight. So between the exhaust, removing the foot pegs, must have saved, you know, quite a few kilograms, probably 3 or 4 kilograms I would imagine, which I can then fill up on here with camera gear, etc. So quite happy with that. Hope that was of some use to you. It's a lovely day today, right at the end of August. We've had so much rain, it's been unbelievable. Got the heated grips on, and they are warming me up even through the grip puppies. So quite what they'll be like in the winter, I don't know, but that's a different story. Catch you later. Codger Biker is out.